Good morning, everybody. Today we'll study equations. X plus 5 equal 8. It's called an equation. As we can see in this equation, there is a letter. This letter is a variable. This variable, we need to find its value. To solve an equation, we must put the variable in a side and the number in the other side. So, when we want to solve this equation, as we can see now, the x will be in a side and the number will be in the other side. So, the value will be 3. We wanted to solve an equation. The first step will be, we put the symbol x or y or any other letter in a side and the number in the other side. The second step, use a sign box. Where is the sign box? Here, our sign box. In the sign box, as we show, the plus go to the other side with minus, and the minus go to the other side with plus, and pi go to the other side with division, and divided go to the other side with by. The third step, all the time start with the addition or subtracting, then multiplying or dividing. Now, solve each of the following equation. Letter A, x minus 3 equal 5. Now, ask yourself, how can I solve this equation? At the first, we must let the variable in a side and all the number go to the other side. So we need to let this number go to the other side with 5. How we can let the 3 go to the other side? As we can see now, the 3 will jump to the other side. But wait, here is minus. The minus go to the other side with plus. So the equation will be x in alone in this side equal 5 plus 3. Why we put 5 first? Because 5 is here first in this side. We put always, all the time, the number in its position. So 5 here is the first, so 3 will be the second one. When we added 5 to 3, we will get 8. 8 is the value of x. Now, letter B, x plus 2 equal 4. Now, this number wants to go to its friend. How we can go to the other side? Here is plus, so the other side will go with minus. Then, as we can see, she will go to the other side with minus 2. The equation will be x equal 4 minus 2. Again, why we put 4 first? Because 4 was written first in the other side. So 4 minus 2 equal 2. Then the value of x equal 2. C, x minus 5. As usual, 5 wants to go to its friend. So it will go with plus 5. Why plus 5? Because we here have minus. It will go to the other side with plus. Then the equation will be x equal 2 plus 5. Then the x will equal 7. Now, as usual, we will send number 1 to the other side with minus for sure. So, x equal 5 minus 1. Then the x equal 4. 2x equal 8. Okay, 2 wants to go to the other side with its friend. There is no operation in here. Yes. What we shall now do? No, there is an operation here. It's multiply. When we see a number and a symbol beside each other, there is an operation, but it's a hide. So we can read it as 2x or 2 by x. So there is a pi here beside the 2, but we didn't write it. So the equation will be divided, yes. 2 will go to the other side with divide. X equal 8 divide 2, then the x equal 4. In this sample, as we can see, it's a y. It's ordinary to see another symbol than x. So this equation, third y equal 6. Okay, there is no operation in here. It's okay. We know that there is pi in here, but it's hidden. So the third will go to the other side with divide. Then the equation will be 6 divide third equal 18. Letter J. 3z equal 9. Yes, 3 wants to go to the other side. Okay, now all of you know that is here in the pi, but is hidden. So the 3 go to the other side with divide. Then z equal 9 divided 3, z equal 3. Letter H, another fraction with a symbol, quarter n equal 2. How we can solve it? Yes, the quarter will go to the other side with divide. Then n equal 2 divide quarter, it will be 8. Now, another type of the equation. Here, letter A, 2x plus 8 equal 14. As we can see here, how many operations in this equation? Yes, count with me. The first one, it's addition. Here, I can see the addition, plus 8. The second one, it's a pi. Yes, 2 pi x. Now, I have 2 operations in this equation. Okay, but we first, always, all the time, start with the addition or subtraction. So, where is the addition here? Yes, number 8 wants to go to the other side, to the 14. Okay, how we can go to the other side? Yes, with minus 8. So the equation will be 2x equal 14 minus 8. Now 14 minus 8 equal 6. Then we will write like this, 2x equal 6. Now we can see there is another equation appearing here. 2 wants us to go to the other side with divided, of course, yes. So x equal 6 divided 2, then the x equals 3. This is the value of the x in this equation. Another one, letter B here, third x minus 3 equal 2. As usual, count how many operations in this equation. As we can see, we see 2 operations, subtraction and multiplying. Always, all the time, start with addition or subtracting. Now, we will start with subtracting in here. So, 3 wants to go to the other side, but there is minus. It will go to the other side with plus. Yes, plus 3. Third x equal 2 plus 3. Then the answer will be third x equal 5. Yes, third x will go to the other side with divided third. Then the x equal 5 divided third. It will be 15. The value in x here is 15. Another equation in here. Letter C, 5x plus 3 equal 18. Now, start with, yes, 3, because it is addition. So, the number will go to the other side with minus 3. Then, 5x equal 18 minus 3. Yes, 5x now equal 15. The 5 will go to the other side with divided for sure, because we have now is a multiply with the x. Now the x will be 15 divided 5, the x equal 3. Letter D, start with minus 3, go to the other side as usual with plus 3. Now the equation will be, yes, 7's x equal 2 plus 3. 7's x equal for sure 5. We get the 5 from 2 plus 3. Now the 7th wants to go to the other side. Yes, shall go to with division. Then x equal 5 divided 7th, it will be 35. Now solve each of the following equation. Letter A, 16 equal n minus 3. Okay, don't be scared. Now I hear you. You ask yourself, why the n in this side? It's okay, never mind. Just change their order and rewrite it again as n minus 3 equals 16. This is the ordinary equation that we know. Okay, what will happen next? As usual, let 3 go to the other side with, for sure, yes, plus. So the n will be 16 plus 3 equal 9. Yes. Letter B, 48 equal 4y. Now, yes, it's not the ordinary equations that we know. Just change its order. It will be, yes, 4y equal 48. The 4 go to the other side with divided. Yes, y equal 48 divided 4 equal 12. Letter C, 3y plus 5 equal 11. Yes, the 5 will go to the other side with minus 5. 11 minus 5 equals 6. So 3y equal 6. The 3 will go to the other side with divided. Then the y will be 2. Letter D, 6's x minus 3 equal 2. Yes, there is 2 operation in here. Just 3 go to the other side with plus 3. So 6's x equal 2 plus 3 equal 5. Yes. Now, as we can know, the 6's will go to the other side with divided. So the x will be 30. Letter E, 4x minus 4 equal 12. The 4 will go to the other side with, yes, plus. So the 4x equal 12 plus 4 equals 16. Now the 4x equal 16. Then the 4 will go to the other side with what? Yes, divide. Then the x equal 16 divided 4. Now will be 4. Letter F, y over 12 or y divided 12. Now, as you can see, I said that is y divided 12. So the divided in here will go to the other side with, yes, what? Yes, with multiply for sure. So the y will be 3 by 12 and equal 36. Now, if we finish from our equation, I need to let you know some keywords to form an equation. Here we will learn how to form an equation and how we can did our operation in this equation. As we can see, there is the 4 main operation that we have studied. Addition at the first, subtraction, multiplication, and division. There is a keywords difference from other for each operation. When you see these keywords, just put the sign. As we can see here at the first, the addition. What is the keywords of the addition? Yes, when you see some, more than, add, after, and increased, just put plus. The other operation, yes, take away, subtract, difference, less than, ago, and decreased. Now, multiplication, yes, multiply the product twice. We hear twice that you must put 2 beside the symbol. Treble, you must put 3 beside the symbol. Double, you must put 2 beside the symbol. And times. Division, yes, it's only 2 words, divided and quotient. Now, we will solve some exercise about the keywords of the operation. Now, translate into simple expressions. Letter A, add a number Z to 30x. Now, as we can see, there is add. Add means plus. So, he defined its number, it's Z. So, the simple expression will be Z plus 36. Why we put plus? Because we have add. Letter B, 5 less than a number x. Also here he defined the number, it's simple x. And there is less than. What the mean of less than? Yes, it's mean difference or minus. So the simple expression will be x minus 5. Letter C, 3 times a number y. Yes, there is my sample, y. Where is the keyword? Yes, it's time. But time, all the time, get a number beside it. There's a 3 times. It's mean, yes, 3y. That's mean there is a pi in here between 3 and each sample, but it hides. Letter D, quotient of the number h pi 9. The word quotients mean dividing, yes? So, h divided 9. Letter E, add 5 to 3 times of a number. Now, as we can see, there is a 2 keywords, add as a addition, times as a multiply. Okay, how we can order these equations? It will be as 3x, that mean 3 times of the number, plus 5, that mean add 5. So the equation will be 3x plus 5. Letter F, add 4 to the half of the number. What the meaning of the half of the number? It's mean half of any symbol that we choose. It will be letter A. So half A, add to it 4. So the equation will be half A plus 4. Now, letter G, subtract 7 from 1/3 of a number. We will assume that that number is an x. So 1/3 of a number, it will be third x. Now, we will want to subtract 7 from it. It will be third x minus 7. Letter H, 7 is added to the double of the number. Now, there's 2 keywords, added and double. Double mean, yes, 2 of a number, yes, we'll assume this number as a y. So the double of a number will be 2y. Add mean plus. So 2y plus 7 is our equations. Letter I. 3 is subtracted from 3 times of a number. Yes, as we said before, the meaning of times is multiply, and this number will be beside the symbol. As we can see, 3 times a number, it will be 3x. Subtract mean minus. So minus 3, and the expression will be 3x minus 3. Now, at the end of this session, the homework will be page 23, 24, 27, 29, and 30 in the booklet. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.